This is the Bose Professional FreeSpace 3 business music system. It delivers rich, powerful sound or music for foreground and background applications. It lets you combine satellites and subwoofers in a variety of mounting options to meet aesthetic requirements of any installation. Retail, restaurant, hospitality, and other business settings. With a wide frequency range, the FreeSpace system reproduces music with presence and detail, and announcements are clear and intelligible. The system can be configured with any of these components and set to 70 and 100 volt or low impedance operation. The flush mount components are plenum rated when used with the optional plenum cover, and the system can be configured for mono or stereo operation. The satellites and subwoofers are available in black or white and can also be field painted. With the FreeSpace 3, you get a system engineered for performance and backed by a transferable 5-year limited warranty. And the system pairs easily with a range of FreeSpace amplifiers to simplify installation and fit nearly any situation. And we can even help you put it all together. With the Business Music System Designer, just enter your room dimensions and it does the rest. Discover how the FreeSpace 3 system can deliver the performance, reliability, and easy installation you need for business music applications. For product specs, accessory information, and more helpful videos, visit pro.bose.com.